Hello guys and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot verify identity. This Apple ID is not active. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some solutions and some suggestions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to change the password of your Apple ID. So guys, open settings on your iPhone, then tap on your profile, tap on password and security, wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you will have to change your password for one time and then you will have to try again and check if the problem is solved or not. So guys, tap on change password, enter your passcode. So guys, here you will have to change your Apple ID password for one time and then you will have to check whether the problem is solved or not. So guys, after this, the second solution to this problem is that you will have to sign out and sign in again on your Apple ID. So guys, go back and then go back all the way, then again open your profile, scroll it below and then sign out. So guys, tap on sign out. So guys, from here you will have to sign out your Apple ID for one time by giving your password here. So guys, after this, the third solution to this problem is that you will have to check your software updates. So guys, go back, open your settings, scroll it below and tap on general and then again tap on software update. So guys, check if there is any update available on your iPhone. You will have to update your iOS software to the latest version of iOS. So guys, update your software and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, the other solution for this problem is that you will have to reset all settings. So guys, go back and then go back and open your settings again, tap on general, scroll it below. So guys, from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. So guys, from here you will have to reset all settings to fix this problem. So guys, after this, the last and final solution to this problem is that you will have to contact Apple Store. So guys, go back to the home screen, open your Safari browser. So guys, tap here support.apple.com. Here it is. So guys, tap on your any device which you are using, go back and then scroll it below all the way, and from here you will have to tap on get support, tap on start now. So guys, you can get any support from Apple authorities. They will help you to fix this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.